If you want to unlink your Google Drive account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into Facebook. Open your web browser and go to the Facebook website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Apps and Websites. In the left sidebar of the Settings page, find and click on Apps and Websites. This section shows all the apps and services linked to your Facebook account. Step 4. Find Google Drive. Scroll through the list of connected apps until you find Google Drive. Click on it to view the details of the connection. Step 5. Remove Google Drive. After selecting Google Drive, look for the option to remove or unlink the app. Click on Remove and confirm your choice to disconnect your Google Drive account from Facebook. After completing these steps, your Google Drive account will be successfully unlinked from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for help.